when you start making YouTube videos, you find yourself wanting to do or doing things that you've criticized others for. And actually, that's what I'm about to do right now. One of the things I don't like is hate videos. I hate, it's funny I'm saying hate. I'm not usually into videos that are like, things I hate about my car, or I hate this. Sometimes they're all right, but sometimes it just made to sound clickbaity, like it's like they regret getting their car or something like that. But then now I'm doing YouTube videos. I'm thinking sometimes actually it kind of works, and I'm about to make a hate video. So there you go. Don't knock it. But today I'm not going to do what I hate about this car, because there's really nothing I hate about it. There's some things I'm not into, but that's another video. Today we're talking about the Avenger, which is for sale, by the way. I'm going to do a couple videos on that before it gets sold, including a review. I've owned it now since 2012, bought it brand new off the lot. It's got 120,000 miles on it, but what I'm going to talk about is the thing I hate about this car, and that is the battery. The location of the battery is the stupidest place ever, because to change it, you've got to raise it up, pull the front wheel off, and it's down underneath the bumper fender well area there, which you're about to see. So if you have an Avenger or Chrysler 200 and you need to see how to change a battery, this video is for you. If you're just someone looking at buying one, this video is for you to know this is what you got to go through to change a battery. I wish what they did, like in my Challenger, and I understand it's a front wheel drive car, so it's tight in there, but why couldn't they do what they do in here? They stuck the battery in the trunk. That'd be so much better if they put the battery in the trunk, easy to get to. Almost forgot. My driveway is a slight incline. Need to get these safety first. All right, get my nice new jack that I just did a video on. See, it's a spit here. Oh yeah. Okay, so bolted screws, push pins with screw heads that were all stripped, so I'm going to replace those. Decided to kind of cut them out. There it is. So now you got to take this bracket off, that off, and then obviously disconnect these, which might need a little cleaning. Okay, oh, I forgot. You actually need to raise that up because this hooks in there, so I wrestled that out. Okay, negative off. Now the positive. Okay. Oh. 11/18. This might still be under warranty. I'll go test it out. Okay, we are back. We got a new battery. Tip: do not look at that sticker of your warranty. I got this out of O'Reilly's. My sticker said 1018, so it would have been over the past the 2-year warranty, except it goes by when you bought it. And they looked up my phone number in the system. That's why it's good to have your number in their system. Turns out I bought the other battery December 31st, 2018. So the warranty was literally 12 days away from expiring, so it's perfect. So got that for free. All right, let's get this thing back in. Okay, hooked up. Let's see if we got power. All right, we got power. Let's finish it up. By the way, that's what happens to your brakes when it sits outside for a few months and doesn't get driven. Yeah. That's where I was in another video. Get you one of these. They come in handy. So instead of putting stripped out things I had to cut off, exact same ones, brand new. 98.4. I think 4. Yep. I'll put a link to one of those in the description if you want to pick one up. Alright, we got all the clips in. It's in there. Time to put the wheel back on. And you don't need to see me do that, but that is one thing I hate about this car. All that to replace the damn battery. Anyway, I'm going to do a few more videos on this Avenger before I get it sold. In the meantime, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.